Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you where you can access the Uinta log from within the Uinta app. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm on my home screen with all of my projects, and I'm going to head to the three bars in the top right corner. That's going to open up my options here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select About, and you can see here at the bottom there are three options, including the View EULA, the third-party notices, and the log files. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the log files option, which is going to open up a file explorer with my Uinta log. And if I click on this text file, you can see that I have a log of everything that is going on. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you access the log within Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.